Hello and welcome to our fifth lesson within our bridging units. And this is the first part of a two-part lesson called Le Tour by Numbers. Our objectives for this lesson are to explore the real-life application of mathematics, and in particular we're going to do that within the world of cycling. And then we're also going to use our financial skills to manage a budget effectively. So to get you thinking about this lesson, I want you to think about this question: what maths is involved in cycling? And to help you, if you click on the link, there's a video of how timing and subtraction can be used in cycling, but there's lots of other areas as well. So your first task for today, your starter, these numbers in the table all match up to one of these facts on the right hand side. See if you can work out which number goes with each fact. Don't worry about making any mistakes, as this is just to test what you think is the correct answer. So here are the answers. 792 tyres are worn by the peloton. 34 stages of the race won by the great Eddy Merckx. 5,900 calories burned per rider every day. £0 price to see the tour. 4,700 journalists cover the race. 2,000 hours of television coverage of the race. 1 yellow jersey. 324,000 pedal strokes to complete the tour per rider. 15 million spectators line the route. 3.5 billion people watching the tour on television. 198 riders. 20 the age of Henley Cornet, the youngest winner of the tour, and 55.152 kilometers per hour, the average fastest speed in a stage recorded by Britain's Chris Boardman. So, just a few examples of some numbers where maths is involved in cycling linked to the Tour de France. So, in this project, these two-part lesson, you are going to be using your math skills to solve some problems that relate to the world of cycling. But first of all, choose a team from the list that you are going to represent. Okay, the Tour de France is made up of 4 competitions, and the leader of each competition gets to wear a certain jersey. So you've got the yellow, leader of the Tour. You've got the green jersey, which is the best sprinter. The white jersey, which is the best young rider, and the polka dot jersey, which is the best climber. And we're going to do a task linked to each of these jerseys. So stage 1, linked to the best young rider, the white jersey, is build a bike. You have been given a budget of £4,000 to build a bike for your team. You need to include the following 4 components: a frame, a seat, the wheels and tyres, and a chain and chain set. You need to choose one item from each list, but you must decide on which one will be best. You are looking for something that will be strong, long-lasting, and that will help you go faster. This page here is how you can set out your poster. Either print this out, or if you're unable to, do your bike design and then include the details around your bike. Okay, here are the information that you need for your frames and seat. Stay on this page and decide which frame you're going to go for and which seat you're going to go for, and record that on your sheet. And this page has the details of the wheels and tyres and the chains and chain set. Again, choose which ones you're going to go for, making sure that you stay within your budget and it fits the criteria that you're looking for. So, your finished bike. You should by now have put together your bike and presented it on your poster. So here are some questions for you to think about that you can record in your bridging activities booklet. First of all, what were the reasons for your choices? Did you manage to stay within your budget? And how did you adapt your approach to stay within your budget? And did you meet the criteria that was asked of you? Use your booklet to write down your reflections from today's activity. So to go back to our objectives for today, today's lesson was about exploring the real-life application of mathematics in the world of cycling and to practice managing a budget effectively. You will be able to carry on this project in the second part of this lesson, the Tour by Numbers Part 2.